All right, you guys, what a great box. Hi guys, it's Deborah from Time is Joe by Deborah. Okay, today we're opening up a 15 piece. This is Phoenix, Arizona. Normally I mark the boxes when I receive them, and I didn't do that on this one, so not sure how old or how new. This is probably newer, but we're going to open it up and take a look. Okay, oh, there's tape there too. And we are going to take a look and see what we got. So, welcome to my new subscribers. Nice to have you. And of course, thank you to all my returning customers and viewers. Appreciate you. Okay, this was April 3rd, 2024. This is a 15-piece box. Well, at least they taped the bottom. We used to have a lot of problems with losing items down at the bottom of the box, so at least they taped the box. It would be better if they did put it into a bag, but you know, ooh, look at that. All right, let me dump everything out. We're supposed to get 15 pieces, so let me move these off and let's see what we got. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 pieces. All right, so what I do is I take everything out of the bags. I give you the sizes, the measurements, and the price, and I will assign a number to it. And then you can email me at timeisjoelbydeborah@gmail.com, and that is just the easy way to do it. All right, you guys, I am going to lay this all out, and we're going to get started. See you in a second. All right, so don't forget, we're going to claim by numbers. Let's go ahead and get started. So our first piece is acrylic. It's greens and a deeper green acrylic. There is a lot of wear on this chain. It's still pretty for maybe crafting. We can go ahead and do number 1. We'll do that for $2 as a craft piece. I'm going to put that number in there. All right. Number 2 is super pretty, but it's missing some stones. So it does have wear on it. This piece is okay. This one is okay. And then we get here. This one's okay. This one is missing a stone here and a stone there. So that is too bad on that one. It is a pretty acrylic green and peach necklace. It is 32 inches long. Number 2, we'll do that for $1 as craft since it's missing so many stones. All right. Number 3 is J. Crew. This is super pretty. I love this necklace. It's one of my favorite necklaces from J. Crew. It's busy, but not too busy, if you guys know what I mean. Oh, bonus hair. Look at that. Okay, so it's gold tone. Then you have stations of circles, and then the faux pearls. It is a really lovely necklace. That one is 32 inches. Number 3, we can go ahead and do that for $8. Pretty. I like that. It's a nice J. Crew. If I can get the bag open and put it in there. All right. Number 4. My numbers like to slide everywhere. Get them lifted back up. Okay, number 4 is Leah Sophia. This is a gunmetal. I like this one as well. You've got shell. You've got acrylics in different colors. Pretty design on this. This one is 36 inches. It's number 4. We can go ahead and do that for $8. All right. Number 5 is really pretty. This is rose gold, It looks like it opens. I didn't want to open it. Yes, it does open. It is a rose gold colored heart pendant. And on the inside, there's a little boy and a little girl. You have a snake chain. The snake chain is 24 to 26 inches because it has an extender. So number 5 for that, we will go ahead and do $8. It's so pretty. Okay, number 6 is silver tone. There is some wear here. I'm not positive if that can be cleaned up. Then you have this really pretty rhinestone decor on the pendant. Here's the back. There is a little bit of some loss on there. It measures 22 to 24 inches, but really pretty. We'll go ahead and do number 6 for, well, we'll do that for $4. Cute. All right. Number 7 is really pretty. This is a long necklace. Here is your rhinestone Y drop. Let me go ahead and lay that out for you. It's a really pretty piece. This one, I believe, it's not marked. It just has, again, one of those pieces where it has a rhinestone on it. So it could be one of many makers. It is 18 inches long from here to here. Then you've got a 3-inch drop. That is number 7 on that rhinestone lovely, lovely necklace. We'll go ahead and do $6 on number 7. Okay, number 8. Okay, so we have another J. Crew necklace. I like this one as well. This is more of a cross between a gold tone and a brass tone. You have these peach barrels with rhinestones here, faux pearls. This one measures in at 28 inches, and this will be number 8. And this one we can go ahead and do for 10. Number 9 is pretty. It is silver tone. I thought it was sterling at first, but it is not. And you have a J with a freshwater pearl there. There is some discoloration here on the silver tone. Not positive if that can be cleaned up or not, but it is still a pretty necklace. It is marked LACN. It is 18 inches. We can go ahead and do $8 on that. That one is number 9. Okay, number 10. That's really pretty. These are sterling silver and tiger's eye earrings. They are nice little studs, post back, precious. These I love. I love tiger's eye. I love that chatoyancy of the tiger's eye. For number 10, the sterling silver earrings, we can go ahead and do $6 on those. Okay, number 11 is a brand that I personally love. This is Robert Lee Moore, so RLM Soho. These are Sodalite. Here is the back. I love the way they clip. They are absolutely stunning earrings. They measure in at 2 inches long. And for number 11, for the RLM Soho, we can go ahead and do 12 on those. That's a great deal. All right, that was number 11. Sorry about that. So number 12, I saw the number. Number 12 is a Victoria Emerson bracelet. It is scratched up here, but it is a pretty design. I had not seen a bracelet from her. I've gotten wrap bracelets, but not one in this style. This is Victoria Emerson. It measures in at 6 inches. That's number 12. Go ahead and do it for $4 since it has that scratching. All right, number 13 is gorgeous. So this does test as 14 karat gold. There is a mark here, right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video and insert a picture. All right, so it looks like it's a cutoff 18K, but it could be 14K. I don't know why they would put a big CZ on here on 14 karat gold, but it does test, and I did take a picture of that as well. So it kind of looks like it was a, you know, like a cutoff 18K, but it is testing as 14K. So it is a beautiful ring. So for right now, I'm not going to make this piece available for sale. I'm going to do a little bit more investigations. And that was, oh, if I can get it off the ring holder, it's number 13. And that one was a size 5. So really tiny, but I'm going to test it a little bit more and see what I can bring up. Okay. Number 14 is a tag Heuer. I believe this one is a fake. So the reason why I think it's a fake is it is the green screen here, which is fine. But when you look on the back, and there are a lot of these online, I mean on the big channels, it says here tester, and then it does have the code for it. So what I'm going to do is try to get a little more information on this. I need to do some more due diligence, but for right now, I'm believing that this is a fake tag Heuer. It does fit a 7-inch. It does have some of the correct markings on it. It does say S925 and then 906K, but yeah, I'm going to have to do a little bit more research on it. It does have a tiny scratch on it as well on the front cover. So what I will do is, if I can find any more information before this video goes up, I will let you guys know, but I am thinking it is a fake. Sad. I was so excited when I saw it. All right, the last item, you guys, is the best. I'm going to move you down. Now, this is not a fake. So when I saw this, I was like, ooh, that looks like a Yurman. But there's so many fakes out there, so I did look. It is a David Yurman. So this is called the Onyx Noble's Cup. It is marked 925 with the 585. It is onyx and sterling silver. I have seen these on a few different sites. It looks like the selling price on these can be $400 and up. I will go ahead and do $350 on it. It is a legit David Yurman piece. I wear a 7 and it fits me. I have a thick wrist, so it's hard for me to get it over, but it does fit, and it's not uncomfortable when you wear it. So a David Yurman. So the fake tag, but a real David Yurman. So again, I'll do that for $350. So not too bad, you guys. Let me know in the comments, what was your favorite piece? Have you gotten a Thredup box before? Yeah, it was pretty good. You know, that one ring that is marked and does test as 14 karat. So that's good, but I don't know why they would put a CZ with it and not something else. So that's why I'm doing a little bit more research. All right, you guys. Well, don't forget, you're going to claim by number. Email me down there. Or my email is right down there, timelessjewelbydeborah@gmail.com, with the video date and the item you are interested in. All right, you guys, not too bad for the last Thredup box of this month. So, okay, you guys have a fantastic day wherever you are in this crazy little world of ours. And as always, I will see you on the next. And be well, take care of each other, and don't forget to tell someone you love them today. Bye, you guys.